Okay, guys, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. We are live. So, who's in the house? We have Ramon in the house. Okay, thoughts about Clear Secure. Okay, we're gonna talk about that. Someone is angry about TRCH has been dumping. Okay, we're gonna go all of your question. Mr. Devil in the house and Ramon as well. Dr. Sherry. Hello, Antonio. Hello, Antonio. Okay, we're gonna go to TRCH without further ado and see what's happening to the price, guys. This is really important what happened to the price. Look with me closely. Look with me closely what's happened because this is a really important what happened today. Okay, let's get things started, guys. Hello from Canada. Yes, 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 Mr. International. We are from Europe. Welcome from Europe, France. Welcome, Goku. Welcome, Goku. Salute. Salute, salute, Vidro. Good, good, Jonathan. Good, Jonathan. Welcome, Jamie. Welcome, James. Okay, guys, let's get things started. We here to make some money. Let's go think and kick things out with TRCH. As we said, guys, look with me closely what's happened to TRCH, guys. This is important stuff. Look with me. As we predicted, the price don't hold. Today we opened with this gap. Look with me, and this gap, and as I said, guys, in the pre-market, and we need to hold above our support here that we didn't hold for. We hold actually now around our support right now, and we see a bit of buying pressure. And as I said in the video that you're gonna see in a bit, that I did it now at 10 o'clock. I said the volume is actually dropping in for selling pressure, and that's why we actually hold. And now we holding above the $4.91 above our support here, the strong support right now, and we should consolidate here, guys, and accumulate for the price. This is really important box here, really important box right now after the big jump down, and this is really important to hold after the merger, because this is the price. Actually, we're still holding the bump that we did since the 14th of June. So this is the big price down. We holding still around the $4.91. As I said, guys, we're gonna see a drop like pre-market when I talked to you guys about the price will jump down. Okay. I talked to you guys about the price will jump down. Uh-huh. We'll see about the voice. Uh-huh. Okay. Studio, no. Setting, audio. Okay. I talked to you guys about the price will jump down. Uh-huh. We'll see about the voice. Uh-huh. Okay. Studio, no. Setting,
Zoom audio.
audio. Okay. I talked to you guys about the price will jump down. Uh-huh. We'll see about the voice. Okay, I think the voice is back on. The mic is back on. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's get things kick out, guys. This is really important right now. Any questions? Any question you have, guys? Okay, I think the force is back on. The mic is back on. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, let's get things started. Thank you for let me know, LJ. Thank you to let me know because the mic was off. Okay, let's get the question been answering for you guys. Let's answer your questions. Okay. Enzo is based off. Why you based off, Enzo? As I said before the video, like we didn't hold the support here. This is a major important. I don't know why a lot of people don't listen the last video that I did here before we actually dumped down the $8.89. I said, guys, here we should hold, and here this is the most important price to hold above. And a lot of you actually bought around the 9 or 9.30 here. This is still around the $10, as I said, guys. So what you should learn right now from this, what's happened right now, is whenever the price is go near the resistance, guys, never like load at those prices. You should actually take a profit, a bit of profit, so you be ready when the price actually jump down, and never buy again when we see a big jump down unless we see a bit of consolidation. Look with me here, guys. Here we don't see a consolidation, we just dump down. The price is actually jumped down, and look with me, the price actually did this or look with me closely, and you see this big massive candle. Then we actually have another small candles below, and this is show us a big sign of weakness, because after big buying pressure like this, and we should see a consolidation here, not again price go down. This is a big warning sign, guys. And again, this gap that happened. So by tomorrow we need to hold this, guys. This week, this is really important, even before the merger, to hold above here. And this is really good that we saw by today the price actually hold above this level. Wait a second, let me go back. Okay, boom. Okay, this is really important, guys, to hold this level right now, and we will see what's gonna happen by tomorrow, or we'll look about the after hours, what's happened for the price. Okay, let's see what's happening. Yes, Ramon. Always don't be never get emotional, guys. This the moment you actually lose everything. You lose even yourself if you get emotional. Okay, Dr. Sherry, LMND and XOM. We're gonna talk about it for sure. What else? Bolo. Okay, Bolo. He asking about what happened to the price per share one day. Okay, this is really good. I'm gonna talk about this. Okay. Okay, for AMC, we're gonna go to AMC as well, because really interesting chart, guys, for AMC. As you can look here. Look with me for the AMC, what's happened to AMC. Guys, look with me what's happened to AMC. We actually tested and rejected precisely around our level, guys. This is really major important right now for AMC. Look with me what's happened. As I told you, guys, this is the most important support resistance right now for AMC. Right now we tested today. Boom, we got rejected here, but we got bought back really fast, and we have a bit of cushion and support here. So by tomorrow we need to hold above this. If not, we got close in here, we're gonna see the price go again, gravitate around this level again, around the 52, and this is really important level, guys. So now we have a bit of buying a bit of dropping momentum right now for our for AMC. The volume is actually dropping for AMC, guys. So be careful for AMC is dropping in volume. And now we got rejection around the 60. So now we have a concise level for AMC. Any price go above here would be really nice here. And any price go below here, a sign of weakness, and we go here first, then we're gonna see the price go to 44 again for AMC. We're gonna see our exponential average here. And let's go again to TRCH. Okay. And see what you have a question about. Okay, Roman asked about clear source. Let's see clear source and what's happening, because Ramon is one of the first hunter actually been joined our membership on YouTube. So yes, let's talk about clear source. We have a special treatment for our elite hunters. Okay, Ramon, let's go to see secure. Okay, let's see it. Clear secure. Boom. Here, clear channel outdoor holding. Is that one actually? Because we have, yes, it's, can you confirm the ticker symbol is CCO? Okay, let's go with it. Wait a second. Clear secure around $30. Okay. It's labeled as you. Why Jeff? Why AMC holder would be naked holders? Okay, wait a second. Okay. Oh man. Ramon, can you put the ticker is you? Come on. Like you may. It's like this the joke with the okay. Okay. I can't find it, Ramon. Please put the ticker, because it's not actually there. I don't know. I didn't find it. Okay. It's the same, yeah. Okay, let's see another. Yeah, patience, guys, patience. I will see AMD actually, yes. What else? Okay, what else we have? Question at. Okay, let's take our Dr. Sherry, because he actually asked for normal stock and normal ticker symbol and clear ticker symbol, as we can see here. And look with me. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, let's get things started. Okay, lemonade. This one is perfect, guys. Look with me. This is actually been testing our resistance right now. Thank you, Mr. Dr. Sherry. This is perfect one. Now we actually been testing it so many times, twice actually, here and here. Today we close exactly at the resistance level, and precisely we bought back here at our exponential average, and we doing higher lows right now. And wait a second. Okay, and yeah, we be doing higher lows, and this is perfect looking chart, because we actually bounced from the 69. I think we actually did a video before for this one. So for this one, I will expect the price, I will expect the price will go at least here around the 130 before we gonna see a bit of rejection for this one, Dr. Sherry. So if you want to take a profit, will be really perfect around this technical area, and will be 23% before we're gonna see a bit of jump down and a bit of rejection area here and consolidation in this box. So now is around the explosion. Tomorrow we're gonna see the price go at least above here around the $1.10, and confirmation candle closing above this will be a clear indication to get in, and we go here, take a profit here would be perfect. And the second one for you, let's see, Dr. Sherry, what he actually demanded, XOM, and okay, what else? Okay, Roman, I will get back to your stock in a bit, okay? Okay, let's see this one. Okay, boom. Okay. And this one is actually near to explosion as well. This one is been doing really nice and is hitting a massive rejection right now, guys, and really important rejection area. I'm gonna take my profit around this area because there's a bit of rejection. And wait a second, let me make it a big. Okay, we have so many channels because last time we did double bottom for this one, bomb here and here from the last year, and yeah, from the last year, and we've been actually in uptrend. Now is in the verge of another explosion, guys, for our stock. If we get rejected here, we're gonna see a consolidation around this area, around the 54. If we break from this level around the 64, we're gonna see the 72. And this is the first taken profit. The second one will be at 82. Okay, let's see what's happening. Mr. The Money King, over 9,000. Thank you. Yes. Okay, I think the time is good, yeah, for it's not too late or too early. Nice. Thank you for sharing the information, Ramon, about the company, about the Clear Secure Corporation. I will look for it right now and dig deeper for this. And they have a public offering. That's why I couldn't find it and trading to view, because it's not actually there yet. I have to look for it in another platform, okay? Wait a second. Yes, that's what I thought. Yes. It's not there yet, Mr. Bolo. But I will check it out later and make video about it, okay? Okay. Okay, Goku asked about the SP 500. Okay, I will go through that as well. What else we have from your questions? Buba asked about failed to trade for your broker. Oh yeah, right. Is not there yet because the IBO is not there yet. You know, so there's no short. The stock is not there. I will do a video about it. So Raman, I will do a video especially for you about the member area, so you can check it tomorrow. Okay. Okay, Lkco and Wish, and there's a lot that's going on for Wish, guys, because it's still consolidating. Wish is still consolidating right now. And look with me what's happening to Wish, guys. This is really important. First, let's go to Lkco, guys. Look with me what's happening to Lkco is actually at our turbulence phase. I told you here, guys, we're gonna see a turbulence for Lkco. Hopefully you saw the video after we saw the turbulence here and we bought back around our technical area here. Perfect. And as I said, guys, we need to fill the gap. And here we filled the gap exactly precisely around the $2.30, guys, here. Perfect. Now we close and we see a bit of wick here, another rejection around the $2.82 before the $3. This is the turbulence area for Lkco before the $3.78. Here we're gonna see another rejection area, but any price close by tomorrow above the turbulence area here, the 3, we're gonna see for sure the $3.78, guys, for Lkco. For Wish, guys, look with me closely for Wish. This is really important stuff. For Wish is getting closer, guys. We have a bit of rejection. Look with me. As said, here is accumulation phase for Wish. And look what happened. We tested around the 1443 today at 1416. Then we close below. So this is accumulation, guys. And we doing higher lows, as you can look here. Perfect candles closing above, and we doing the squeeze for the price. And this is really nice. And as I said, here is this turbulence area. That's why we feel the gravity of the selling pressure happening right now. And what we have here, let me see what's going on. And okay, doing good, Nicole. Happy to hear to see you in time. Yes, Sisav is actually squeezing good. Okay, let's go to CCIV because Nicole actually interested in, and let's see what's going on. Okay. Boom. Let's go. Yes, Nicole, you are right. As I said, guys, it's been squeezed and been doing higher lows as the last video I did for our Patreon. And the volume is actually picking up. And we have this massive buying pressure around the 0 for our volume indicator. And this is good indication. And we bump around our resistant area precisely, guys, around the 24.55. We close around the 25. So by tomorrow, guys, we're gonna see a test for the 27. This is a really important area. If we want to see the explosion happen first, guys, be careful. First, we're gonna see a bit of test for the 32 before the 43. So be careful from this level. Take a bit of profit. Wait and hunt for the 43 because this is a bit far for 43. We're gonna see a bit of turbulence before, but this is really looking good. Thank you, Nicole. I'll put it like on my watch list for our the stock that I'm gonna trade tomorrow. No problem, Nicole. Okay, what we have here. Okay. Okay, Goku. Yes, Goku. I will go to SP 500 in a bit. Wait a second. Let me see your question, guys. And who's actually asking about something else? Okay. Okay, let's go to SP 500 as Goku actually asked and see what's going on. Okay. Boom. Okay. Goku is a bit of overextended right now, and see the volume is dropped because we actually tapped at all-time high right now, but whenever actually we went to all-time high, we see a bit of rejection around the $4,250, and this is a bit of rejection area. If we got rejected around this level, guys, we're gonna see a bit of dip here. Exactly, because here a lot of rejection happening. See with me, we got rejected around the 15th of June, and we get this dip, but we bought back and we did higher lows, so this is really nice. Look with me here. So almost every time we get sell off, we get bought back, and this is really nice. And now is a squeeze. So by the coming days, we're gonna see explosion happening. Should be explosion, because if we don't, we're gonna see the price actually at least go back again here around the 4,000. Around the 4,000, we're gonna see a dip. If we got rejected here, we're gonna see the dip around the 4,000, and here we're gonna see a good buying pressure and a good entry for SB 500. If not, here we're gonna see explosion again and see the 4,500 maybe even. Okay. Good, Jonathan. Good question. BlackBerry hit the $20. Everybody actually talk about BlackBerry, and when it hit $20, a lot of people actually bought at 19, and some people got caught up. So let's go to BlackBerry and see what's happening for the price, because we didn't do a video about it lately. And here, guys, look with me for BlackBerry. For BlackBerry is being squeezed right now here around our level, as I did in the last video. We've been testing this area of rejection area around our like the ascending line. We're still around it, guys. We're still around this ascending line. We dipped, and as I said, guys, here this is the most important box that we've been trading on lately right now. Here between the ascending line and the support line here. So this kind of is triangle that we've been trading on, and the price has been squeezed here and this kind of mix triangle. And now we have to actually have the price. If we want to go to 20, first we have to go over the 17.17, because this is really important level. And this the first thing before the 17 is to close above the 14 again, or above our ascending line, to show some kind of interest for the market maker for the buying to buy the price at this level, because now we're still below our ascending line, and this is still a sign of weakness, guys. And this is really important to close here or at the 14 and above our ascending line to see the price actually go as high as the 17 here. After the 17, we're gonna see the 20 for sure, but we have to hold above the ascending line. This is the first sign for explosion for BlackBerry, guys. Okay. Thank you, Roman. Thank you, Roman. I'm gonna put what you ask about the IBO stock in my my list. I'm gonna make sure to make a video for you on Patreon. Don't worry. I never forget my hunters. My hunters always come first. Okay, for naked, yeah, good question, because I'm gonna do a video tomorrow about it. I will give you just a hint about the price. And the other question I got right now is my thought about Norwegian NAS. I'm gonna go through that as well. Nicole, are you sleeping or you are still watching? And again, who's else? Okay, Demonican, you have any question? Okay. Did I forget some question from you guys? Because yes, I did Wish. Okay, we covered Wish. We covered. Wait a second. Let me see your question, guys. If I covered all your questions. Okay, I will do naked now because so many of you ask. And I will do... Okay, let me see your question, guys. Okay, let's go for naked, guys. Let's go for naked and ship. Okay, let's go for naked, then ship, okay? For naked, guys, first let's go for naked because a lot of you asked me about the price action, and this is really important for naked right now. What we've been seeing, guys, as we draw from our ascending line. Hopefully you saw the last video that we did perfectly we bounced from our ascending line. And as I said, what I said in the last video, I told you the 0.60 we need to hold and we need to bounce. And look what happened. We have a buying pressure to take us above, and now we testing right now around our exponential average. Let me really close up and do close up here. We have a bit of rejection right now. We close here around our exponential average. So this is a testing area right now around the 0.68. So the price is actually concise between the 0.61 and 0.68. Any price go above the 0.68 or let's say the 0.70, we're gonna see the price test for the technical area around the 0.76. And here is the price that will actually give us a clue or more confirmation that we're gonna see the $1 again. And this will be our confirmation that this our line is actually been respected, and this bounce is actually the clear indication for change in momentum and seeing higher highs for naked, guys. So we have to be patient here. And the other question I actually got from Bolo, wait a second. I got question from Bolo is about TRCH. Okay, let's go for TRCH and ship. Okay. Okay, let's go to SHIP, then I will answer your question, Bolo, okay? For Ramon, ask about SHIP, and let's see. Okay. Okay, this one, I think the American one. Okay, this one. Okay, so Ramon, the elite hunter, asked about SHIP and where the price actually will go. Let's draw our support right now because the support has actually been tested before around this technical area, around the 0.88. But the second strongest support right now we should hold, and we never go below, is the $1. This is the most important level for us. This is the support, guys, and the resistance actually is around this $1.39 or $1 here, $1.35. And if you look with me, guys, the price has actually been doing the W shape, but it doesn't finish and get rejected here. Now we have another actually W shape it's forming, and this time we got rejected again a bit. So we have a bit of chance if we want to explode without getting rejection. If we hold at least above the $1 again, we might to see the price go above the $1.35 and explode, guys. This time we're gonna see the even at least the $1.73 before we're gonna see the $2 and over. But you see, guys, we didn't actually close here. We don't have a confirmation candle. Here we got rejection. Here we got rejection. So always be patient, guys, and have a confirmation candle before you jump, because you might get caught up here and you see the price go down, you see? And here you get price and you got cut, and we got price go down again. And if we just want to clear things out and see that the after hours and see the price, what's happened. The price has been dropping right now while we speak. After hours is $1.16, and yeah, we close at the same level because now we have a really strong support right now around our exponential average here. Hopefully by tomorrow, if we open the market and we hold this level, we're gonna see explosion by tomorrow and test, and this time exploding above the $1.35. So I will put this on my watch list again for this one. Thank you, Ramon, for your heads up. No problem, Ramon. I'm happy to be in service. Okay, let's answer the other question for my elite hunters and one of my membership hunter actually. So let's go to Bolo, and he asked about the TRCH and what's gonna happen for the price after the merger. And this is really a great question. Wait a second, let me, okay. 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 So there's a lot of things we actually should know about what's gonna happen at the 24th of June. So if you want to dividends, first you have to hold through the June 24 to be eligible for the dividends. This is the first thing. And again, a lot of investors actually wondering how much the dividend will pay out, still don't have any concrete details. So there's a lot of things we don't know about this. However, there's analysts actually expecting the range is between $1 per share and $20 per share. So there's a massive range for a special merger dividends that investor will have to hold out for. So luckily, they won't have to wait long for the merger's dividends. And again, guys, again, this ad is actually set to be paid out to investors in TRCH stock on June 25th. There's a lot of rules actually, depends on the price, and you have to hold until the 24th to actually get paid. The price is not set yet, so it's like a lot of speculation. So that's why we see uncertainty around the TRCH stock and a big sell-off, because there is no concrete information around the payout, you know. And about after the merger, there's still not concrete price. Is like you just do a projection of price about the merger. So the mergers actually have a lot of things that could go right or wrong. So here, guys, I'm trying to actually give you the price from the technical point of view, not from the fundamental point of view, because a lot of things, a lot of factors can come into play and change everything. So this is the thing that I don't like the things that I can control, like the things like with the merger price, what's gonna happen after this, because there's a lot of factors. As in science or anything, if you have a lot of factors you can control, it's mean your hypothesis or your theory is actually flawed, and you can actually make like a scientific, is not scientific method. You have to actually have like I don't know what's called. It is like the factors actually defined for us is not defined and is not controlled. So we can actually say 100% what's the payout, what's the price for sure. Okay, wait a second. Let me see what's... Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Mori, assalamu alaikum. You speak Arabic? Okay, guys. We have a lot of questions from you guys, so we have to organize because I got a lot of demand for stocks. So we have to have a bit of order here, guys. If we want to hunt, I'm gonna give you some rules here, guys. Some rules to make some money, because a lot of my students, and even in Patreon, when I did videos, a lot of you guys, you get mixed up and you try to trade 5 stocks, 10 stocks in one day. This is bad, guys. This is bad, and I've been in this situation, so never be in this situation as well. If you want to choose one stock to trade on. Never trade like 5 stocks, 10 stocks at the same time, you know? Okay, let's take Kiwi, and Hendrix, NNM and DM, okay, and AMD. Let's go to see AMD and first, because Kiwi asked for this. AMD, guys. Okay. Let's see AMD. Okay, AMD, guys, is been trading so long in this big box, guys. Look with me. This is perfect swing trade for our stock AMD, and this is perfect and more sure way to make money here. Perfect box, guys. Just note this price. Any price go here around the 74, 75, buy. Any price go around the 88, or if you want to let your profit go around this 97. So this is a perfect box to swing trade it for AMD, and everybody knows AMD is so safe. Even there is a big market crash, you have like 99% the price will go up and we see higher highs. So here guys, this is perfect. Anybody want to trade safely and he don't want to lose money, just trade AMC around the 74 and just swing trade it and take a profit every time at around the 86, guys. I guarantee you you make easy money. But again, there is no volatility, so don't put AMD and you compare to AMC or Lkco. Here you might get bored unless you use leverage or options. So there's a lot of options you can choose to make money, guys. And yes, the second thing we cover this one and the I think. Yes, I think so. Wait a second. Hello from Toronto. Welcome, my favorite country. Good question. The biggest gain actually was from crypto, not even from stocks. Because crypto, you have more leverage and is more volatile and it's open 24 hours. And as everybody knows, you can actually short and buy. So even in the market crash for crypto, you can make a lot of money because you can short crypto, you know. Okay, so Rodney actually have a tip and he said TRCH dividend will be $1.27. What's your information based on? Where did you get this information, Fox? Can you actually share your knowledge with us? Okay, Alex asked about Senseonic, Palantir, SOS, NNDM. Okay, we cover NNDM, then we go to see SOS and FOBO. Okay, let's go to see those right now. Guys, we try to make some money. So yes, let's go like to take some like notes. Okay, let's go right to it, guys, and see Senseonic and NNDM right now. NNDM, and this is our stock. Let's get right to it. Okay, guys, look with me closely what's happening to our stocks. Here we have a bit of resistance and here our support. Yes, perfect. So our support is around the $5.82. I'll put notification if we got rejection around the $9 or below the $10. Just be careful, guys. Any rejection here, I will expect the price go gravitate to do double bottom here, and here I will buy. And again, this is always protect yourself. Here I will buy, but I will put my stop loss around the $4.90, because if we just dipped, we might actually go even lower, and I just buy lower on the lower price around the $3.13. I don't have to hold and I don't have to be stressed out. Just get out without emotion and just ride the other train or the other rocket that fuel enough to take us again. So here, guys, wait for explosion around the $10 confirmation candle here. I will ride this one until even the 17. But before the 17, we're gonna see like a bit of consolidation or rejection around the 11, and any rejection here, simple as that, we're gonna see the price gravitate around the $5.80 or $6, and here I will buy again. SOS guys, SOS, let's go to SOS. Okay, let's go to Sensionic. Okay, I got asked a lot of people ask me, we've been trading in this box. I told you this box is really important for Sensionic. And again, guys, we predicted the price will go around the $3.05. Precisely, guys. Precisely as we predicted in our video. Hopefully you saw it. We got buying pressure, and here we've been trading inside this beautiful box. It's a box of Bermuda, where we actually see the explosion gonna happen really soon. If even we got rejected, we want to consolidate here, guys, and any price go from here. Guarantee you guys, we're gonna see explosion this time, and this time we're gonna see the $5.39 if we hold this box and consolidate here. An explosion gonna happen here. Just be cautious. If you don't bought around the $3.05 and you a bit late, you're actually a second chance is here around the $3.82. Okay, let's get things started, guys. Let's get things started. What's going on, guys? Okay, Toronto, tourist dividends $1.27. Deposit 2,000 shares. Thank you, Taco. Thank you, Taco. Do you guys prefer the stream without music? I actually live in Paris, guys, France. There's a lot of baguette and good pastry here. You should join us. Okay, Tom asked about ASXC. My thought about ASXC, the Jesus thoughts. We're gonna actually disclose the information right away after I see the other hunters what they have hunted today. Okay, guys. Okay, I have a game for you guys. Everybody, tell us what's the stock his like that he's actually having watch list or hunted today. So we get some kind of things kicking. We know who's actually bought some stock that actually exploded. Yes, baguette. Okay. Okay, let's see. Tom, he's asked about ASXC. Let's see what's happening for this stock. Okay, it's bombing, guys. It's bombing. This one is bombing. We did the video about it, and I told you guys here the support around the $2.44, and the resistance is around the $4.35. So be careful. We have a bit of consolidation here, and look with me what is forming again. A bombing forming. A bombing forming. Now is a W shape is forming here, and this perfect, guys. This is perfect for tomorrow if we actually close this this shape. Look with me, we have a double top here around the $3.68. Any price by tomorrow testing again, we're gonna see explosion again here, and this will be a nice taken profit here around the $4.35, because we're gonna see a bit of consolidation and rejection. And another thing, guys, who actually bought ChargePoint? ChargePoint is bumping, guys. We did the video, actually, we covered ChargePoint on my Patreon, and one of my Patreon asked me about my thought about ChargePoint. So we actually hunted ChargePoint together right here, guys, before the explosion here around the 24, and we ride this one until the 31, and we took a profit here because now we see a bit of holding up around this area. So now, guys, this is perfect for ChargePoint. Anybody actually trading this one, we have accumulation phase here before we have the price go here. We're gonna see the price go to 38 really soon, guys, for ChargePoint, because ChargePoint is charged right now and is loading up, guys, is loading up. Yeah, TRCH needs CPR. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Jimmy, for your generosity. You have any question? Yes, metamaterial covered today in the video. You have any question about metamaterial, Jimmy? Yes, I'm charged today. I'm charged, guys. Yes, yes, Jimmy is actually at metamaterial. Yeah, metamaterial is actually doing great right now, and we cover it today in the video. Today we cover it. Look with me closely what we saw in metamaterial. Where's metamaterial? Yes, I think this one. Yes, look with me, guys. We have really perfect scenario for metamaterial here. We have the actually charging for our rocket here. Perfect charging here. And this is just a test, guys, around the $15 or the $14 before we actually go again to test it really soon. And look with me, we got really bought back really fast around our exponential average here, and this is really nice to see, and closing above, and this is nice. We close around the $9.91. So by this week we should see a hold up for this area of conjunction before we actually see the rocket actually testing the $15. So there will be, this is a really nice swing trade for us, for if you want to just swing trade it, will be at least 50% up for this one, because we already tested this area and we see a buying pressure, and here will be our support, the hard support for us around the $7.35. What you mean, Kyle? Bootcamp live stream. Okay. Tasman, for Torch, we're still holding the support. We still have a fighting chance for actually for Torch. Let's go to for Torch a bit because a lot of people got question about Torch and the stream is actually about Torch, so we don't have to forget about Torch. Yes, as I said, guys, we're still holding the support, and hopefully by tomorrow we see a bit of test for at least for the $5.89 or the $6. Be nice if we solve for this week to see a bit of buying pressure coming up. And as I said in the video, our volume, shorting volume is dropped, guys. So from the 22 June, we have a big candle here, and we have a bit of slowing in momentum, as you call it here, for our shorting. Short sellers actually drop in the volume of selling. So this is really nice to hold here around exactly the $4.50, guys. We need to hold it in this week in order to consolidate. And any consolidating here is really nice to have a bit of fighting chance and refueling, as I said, for our rocket to go again to test the $6.61 and at least until the merger day. Yes, it's funny, Jimmy. To be honest, like if you use your common sense, it could be. But a lot of people now is scared, and a lot of people like AMC tribe or apes is different kind of people. You know, they don't actually think about the fundamental because AMC don't have any fundamental. If you want to ask me, and people just buy and hold. They don't looking for the news about the fundamental. You know, they never stress out. They just buy and hold. You know. It's like samurai, you know, when the samurai go in like in a battlefield, they never know fear. Fear is not actually registered in their mind, you know. That's why when they go to fighting in samurai, in they never go back, you know. Even if you go in front of them with a machine gun or I don't know. I don't know about this. About Citadel actually own big part of Torch. Bolo, I have an echo. I don't know about this. Aha, okay, wait a second, I will fix it. Okay, I think I will fix it. Thank you for saying this. Okay. We'll try to fix the sound, guys. Okay. Aha, okay, wait a second, I will fix it. Okay. I think I will fix it. Thank you for saying this. Okay. We'll try to fix the sound, guys. Okay. Okay, wait a second, I will fix it. Okay. FSR, so-called, be nice. Okay, what we have here. Tomorrow is another day. Money never sleep. Exactly. Exactly. Guys, the game plan, the game plan for tomorrow. The big jump for a lot of stocks gonna happen really soon. And everybody knows at Friday, like a lot of people will take a profit at Friday. So be careful from that. And always have a plan, guys. Never actually jump without having a plan. Uh-huh. Nice, Bolo. Nice. The audio is fine. Nice, nice. Guys, the idea here, we want to see, we try to make some money. So we don't want to make some music, so the audio will have to be perfect, you know? Okay. Let's see. Exela. This is new stock. Let's metamaterial. Yes. Let's cover this one, guys, and see what's happening to this one. Okay. Okay. Nice. This one has been selling off, and we already covered it, I think. Yeah, we covered it before. Yes, we covered it like 2 months ago, after we have this big jump. And I told you guys this is a really dangerous gap that we did. It happened at 9th of March, if I remember well. And I told you about the support. And when we break it, I told you guys to sell because the price will go even lower. And that's why we actually dropped from the 9th of March until today. We've been dropping from the last jump. We actually jump until the $7. Imagine, guys, a lot of people, some people actually bought at the $7 for this one. This is really dangerous, guys. Just bump, just been actually trending below the tree. Then we have the explosion. So be careful, guys. This is really dangerous because a lot of people bought here. Look at $7, and this is dangerous. Now look where it is. Now it's actually around the $1.34. So the support for this one is the strongest support for this one is actually really low, and is around. Yes, this is the key level actually. Right now we've been trading on it actually around the $1.26, and this is the really strong support for our stock. We don't want to go below because the last strongest support we could hold is around the $1, and any price go below I will just get out because the price can actually go in the cent area. So be careful from this one because we just test here around the $1.24. We got buying pressure, but buying pressure is got rejected here. You see? So I will be extra careful because if I want to get in, I need the price by this week or the next week go at least above our exponential average here around the $1.50. If not, we're gonna see the price go to $1 again or even lower. So I will not suggest to buy at this time anytime soon because still dropping like crazy and we don't have a sign of like healthy consolidation, but consolidation and dumping down. So be careful from this one. And thank you for actually bringing this up because this will be a good learning curve for a lot of you guys to see how dangerous it is when you buy in a big bump. Okay. Lkco long term. Yes, Lkco actually testing the $3 as we said before, and the $3 is the turning point, because if we go above the $3, we're gonna see the 4 and above, and a lot of people and analysts actually give it like $10. This is like the projection for Lkco, but Lkco have a lot of rejection area and a lot of volatility for Lkco, guys. Look with me closely. For Lkco, we have a lot of things going on and a lot of rejection happening for Lkco. And as I said here, turbulence around the $2.70 before the $3, and we saw a bit of hold up here. By tomorrow, we're gonna see the test for $3 this time, and we might see a gap, guys, really soon for Lkco. And everybody knows Lkco with the gap, like the price just open around our rejection area. So be careful. If we opened around this level pre-market and we open during the market around the $3.78, be careful, because we're gonna see a big rejection area and go back again. So this is really normal for Lkco. So there's a different strategy for every stock, guys. Just know that every stock have different strategy. Okay, Vertex. We're gonna see this. Thank you for bringing this up. Good question. Which is most shorted stock? No, it's not which. I think CTRM is more shorted. Oh, great. From Spain. Hola, hola, David. Where are you from Spain? I was in Bilbao, Barcelona. I really like Bilbao. Okay, let's see what's going on okay, hi, Jesus. Atos. Okay, E2. Okay, we'll go to see at ATOS as E2 suggested, and we're gonna see what's happened for Vertex, guys. Vertex is as Sukul Fitness said, is going crazy. Let's actually discover this and see what's going on to this one. Okay, this one I think is a pharmaceutical company or energy company. Yes, yeah, I think this one, pharmaceutical company. Damn, we got a big selling pressure. Is that this one? Okay, okay. Okay, for this one, Vertex Pharmaceutical, guys, is actually gap down, and we still have the dip around the $1 187, and this is really crazy because the support that I can see really good for this one is around the $1.67, and we might even see another actually sell off after this gap, because after the gap we don't see a buying pressure but a accumulation phase here, and this is not good because still we don't have a support here. This is technically not the support. The support is around here, around the $1.70, And again, if we want to go up, we're gonna see a test for our exponential average here by tomorrow if we want to see to test the gap around the 200. So the 200 is our resistant area, guys. Here, if we ever want to go higher, we're gonna see a test. But the more probable way we're gonna see the 200 test, then we're gonna see the 167. This is the more probable scenario. And the other one, we got a question from you guys about yeah, for torch, guys, as said, we need to hold our support, and any hold for the support even below before the merger, and this is will be really nice indication for accumulation price before we actually test around the $6 again. So the $6 is a psychological level and the turning point, and we have to test it. Even if we want to go lower, we have to actually test the $6 before any price jump. Okay. He said the energy one, not the pharmaceutical one. I think this one. Yes, this one. Damn, this like it's actually exploding as we speak. And the volume is actually, yeah, 4 million. Wow. If you know, like those kind of stocks, you have to actually wash them like a hawk. And damn, it's perfect trade for this one. Today, actually, we did 400% for this one. Vertex Energy, just 400% just for today. This is really crazy. So now we have a bit of support right now around here. Perfect, really perfect trend right now. So for this one, guys, really be careful because we already did 400% for today. No, not for today, but from 27th of May. From 27th of May, we did 400, almost 500%. And we've been consolidating the moment we hit our rejection area. But as you said, it's been doing crazy before the market closes. 22% just in the last 4 hours of trading session. So this is really nice to see that we have the buying pressure around this technical area, and if we have the volume support us, we're gonna see a test again around the $10, and here will be the big squeeze again. I think it will be a big squeeze if we just close here, guys. This will be another explosion for our stock. And energy stocks actually doing great and phenomenal is lately. So as I predict from this one, closing above our level here would be another explosion, either that or another rejection here, and we're gonna see the price go again around this level, and this is like the support level around this area. Wait a second. Yes. Let's see what's going on with you guys. What question you have other than that? Oh man. Why? Okay. Okay. Good question, Isaac. Good question. for the torch. If, as I said, guys, the squeeze could happen if we hold above our support. The squeeze could happen for torch if we hold this area, guys. Yes, the squeeze could happen for torch if we hold this area of support around the $4.72, and we actually been trending in this box until the merger, and this will be a really nice technical area to actually load and see the price actually test again the $6.61, and here we're gonna see a squeeze again for the price before we're gonna see higher highs for torch. This is the perfect scenario for torch, just holding for this level, guys. This really important box right now between the $4.70 and the $6.60. This is the major turn point, because any price close here, we're gonna see the $3.32. Any price go above here the $6, we're gonna see another explosion for torch. At least for this week, Santana, at least for this week after the merger, because the merger is the dividends and the merger, this will actually define where the price will go, because now is all fundamental. It's not like AMC. AMC is not fundamental, but it's all about sentiment of the market, and always about people just holding. For AMC is different, but for torch is always about fundamentals to actually give us a fuel again to take our price to go up. Okay. Mori ask about if Fobo. Yes, this one. Okay, I think we cover it, but as I said again, okay, Fobo is actually doing great. We have our confirmation. Thank you for bringing this up, because we have a confirmation above our resistance right now. So now we have to see a test for 39 really soon for our stock right now, and the post market is going higher 1%. So this one we're gonna see it even before the Friday. Hopefully the price, if we hold above again here, this is the technical area. We have the breakout, guys. This is really nice. Here we need to hold above here. No price go below our level here around the 29. We hold above the 30, we're gonna see the price go to 39. And here make sure to take a profit, guys. We're gonna see a bit of rejection. Good one, Big Bad Brad. I actually turned my water to wine as we speak right now. And again, is how coincident is that? France is the best place to actually for wine. And guess what? I'm there. Because I'm there. Beginner trader ask for family, please. Yes. As French people always tell me to be polite and say please. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Okay, for FAMI, yes, this one, I think. Yes, we covered it before. Beginner trader. We have a bit of weakness right now. Look with me. We broke from our ascending line. And we have a bit of breakout, but fake out. Wait a second. Let me go to 4-hour chart. Yes, look with me, guys. We have a bit of breakout, but a bit of fake out right now because we have we still didn't fill the gap, because the gap is really big. If you want to see, is around the 0.77. This is the gap if we want to fill, and the big rejection around the 0.77. And we broke our ascending line right now, and there's another thing gonna happen. Let me project in the future a bit. Okay, so see what's gonna happen. The price is actually has found a bit of support around the 43, so we're gonna see the price again gravitate here. If we get rejected, we're gonna see again the price go here. So this is really important level to test, a double resistant level around our ascending line and our resistant line. So this is a massive rejection area. Unexpected, there's a bit of rejection and we might go down, because this is a massive sell-off here and this is not looking good for our stock. If we go to the volume is actually picking up in smaller picture, and this is a clear indication of interest for the price right now. So by tomorrow we're gonna see if this will play through, if we have this volume is actually still good to break this. So if we broke this time, will be really nice to actually hold up here, and this time we want to see a test for 0.77. And again, this is the support around the 0.43. Any price go below, just get out, because the price will go as low as the 31. Thank you, Dr. Sherry. Thank you, Dr. Sherry. You always on the time, and you always at my live stream. This is my elite hunter, always on the time. If you want to hunt, you have to be always on the time, guys. Sammy, he said, which stock should I hunt tomorrow? We already have some stocks. We actually put it in our watch list, and one of them is actually, let me look. If you want to secure hunting, you have AMD is a bit of secure hunting. Yes. Yeah, AMD is a good secure hunter because we bounce here. As I said, the good price to buy at is around this technical area, and the good price to sell at is we already near our selling point around the around $88. So this is really near now our rejection area. Let's see the NNDM. Which one we actually saw? Okay, this one is actually put it on your watch list. Any price go above here, above the 10, we're gonna see explosion, guys, for this one. At least for $11.41. So put this on your notification list for this one. And what else we have that we should put on our list? And wait a second. I don't know if we talk about Wish. Yeah, we talk about Wish. We said this actually build up momentum right now. Yeah, and we actually closed from our rejection area, so that's why we see accumulation here. Yeah, and again, charge point is looking good, and you should put it on the watch list if we just hold this level around the 32, and this will be nice to actually kick the price until the 38. What we else? Oh, yes, sorry. And Novan. Some of you actually asked me about Novan, and we got this kind of rejection happened, boom, around the 14th of June, guys. And now we been trending down, and yes, this is a really big gap, guys. If you want to ask me, after this kind of gap, you take a bit of time to get back from this gap, so be careful. We have like unusual trending stock, because this is gap, big bump, okay, and this happened a 10th of June, and we hit the 20, then a massive gap again. This is not healthy, guys. This is not healthy, and I don't like this, because here you can actually put stop loss, or you just open your brokerage account and you see like you are already 50% down or 40% down. This is really, be careful from this one, and because this could actually go and dip again even further. Wait a second, let me draw this and take the big picture. And I think, yes, we are already almost at the bottom of our trend. We actually bought back here. We got rejection again around this area, the $10, and we've been doing lower highs right now. So this one, then around the 25, then 20, and then now around the 10. So it's dropping, the volume is dropping, so still I'm not 100% on this one, because it is not good, and have a different strategy, guys, for this one. Like different strategy to play with this one, but it's more risky. I don't actually suggest anybody to actually trade this one. Okay. Nice, big bad Brad. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to trade and you feed him for a life. Perfect sentence. Perfect, yeah. No, I don't know about TTCF. I will check it. Okay, I see a lot of people have puts on this. Yeah, kind of. It's burning everybody. You have to have patience, you have to have kind of vision for any trade you take. And as I said, guys, never put all your money in one basket. I already talked about since Yannick already talked about it. Okay, let's see TTCF, guys, if it's good to trade or to actually put in our watch list for tomorrow. And ORPH, so we could hunt, guys. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I kind of see if the stock is actually good to trade just from one glimpse, guys. This is really important. Okay, for this one is kind of good. It's kind of good. Let's draw our lines of resistance and boom. Okay, this is good, guys. Okay, this is fantastic. Okay, you have, this is nice. Every time we bounce from this, we have a big buying pressures to take us above. So now we've been testing this technical area. Look with me closely, and is precisely around our exponential average, because here we have a bit of bounce. If we just close precisely around our exponential average, precisely, and after this massive sell-off, okay, but we don't see a big buying pressure. So if we don't hold by tomorrow this level, guys, we're gonna see a bounce here again, and still healthy around the $17 will be perfect bounce, guys, to buy at again, and this will be perfect entry. But you have to be patient, guys. And again, if we hold above this by tomorrow or this week, we're gonna see the price at least go until this technical area around the 27, and this is major level for us here. It's still major level to break and big rejection area for us. And just be careful from this level, you know, this ascending line really important, and we have to do higher lows from here. We don't want to break our trend, and always know your trend is our friend. Never actually try to trade against it, because you're gonna get burned, guys. You're gonna get burned. Okay. I heard some people said TRCH after hours is actually $5. Yes, it's $5. This is really good news. So we actually around here. As I said, guys, this is good to actually see our stock here. Yes, it's after hours here around the $5, and this is nice. So by tomorrow, guys, we need to see the price actually go as high as at least the $5 here, the $5.88, and this is really nice to test at least by tomorrow, and the perfect scenario to test the $6.61. This will be a really good pump, and stay away from this level. This is the last level of support, guys. Why Orbital Energy Group will be a good addition to watch list? Now I'm intrigued. Now I have to take and check right now this stock. Now you make me intrigued to see what's going on with Orbital Energy. You're good, Anas. You're good at attracting my attention. Okay, we already covered this one, OEG, before. We already have a massive bump the 1st of June actually. We got until the 7th, and then we got the big jump down. And as I said, guys, already put my notification for this one around the $3.50. 58, and this is I will put my watch list on around this technical area before we actually see the price here. This is the low as I can see the price go at before we're gonna see a big massive jump, and maybe even here. Yes, so this is the game plan, guys, for this one. If we still consolidating and seeing the price go down, and this time we're gonna see a test here for the $4 and not the $5, $4.95, guys. And if we got rejected, we're gonna see the $3.58 again. If we don't, we're gonna see the massive support and the most secure way to buy around the $2.25. But as always said, you have to be patient and let the trade come to you. Never run after the trade. This is really important, guys, and this will be a good lesson. I will actually put it on my paper, so I will put it in the next live after like 2 weeks or 1 month. I will show you guys that you have to be patient until we hit those prices. Thank you, Kyle. That's why I'm here, guys. I'm trying to teach you guys how to hunt, you know. This is the most essence of my channel, not just giving just normal video to tell you where to buy and where to sell. I'm trying to show you guys how to hunt by yourself. And if you're interested actually to know exactly how to hunt and to perfect your strategy, join us, guys, in our Patreon. Is actually doing crazy now. We're already 27 hunters by now. Yeah, BNGO has been under the radar lately. Wait a second. I will go to BNGO in a bit. Okay, Kyle said gray. Okay, let's see. It's getting crowded here, guys. Wow. Okay, this one is the average volume. Okay, is good at 7 million. Okay, this is one is wait a second, let me see. Okay guys, I think we have a big explosion happen for this one. I think I'm gonna put this as well in my watch list because the volume is actually bumping up. So I'm gonna be really extra careful with this one because it's big dump that we did around March, but now I see a bit of accumulation of the price, and we see the price actually doing higher higher lows. And look with me, we've been trending above our exponential average each time. Here is perfect. So here I can actually put my stop loss around the $4.64, and I ride this one as high as this one, guys. And yes, around the $6, and this one will be 25% profit on, let's say, 5% loss and 25%. So this is kind of 5 to 1, yeah, 5 to 1 to risk to reward ratio. So this is how to actually adjust your risk to reward ratio and see if the trade is good for you or not, guys. Nice. Hisham, really good, really good. I actually use this one. Finvis, wait a second, where is that? Yes, I use the screener, and this is really good, guys. I always hunt for my trade here, so I will make it easy for you. Choose USA, then choose the price, let's say under $10. Okay, then choose the current volume, or the relative volume is around, let's say, wait a second, not the relative volume, but yes, the current volume. I prefer the price, wait a second, I will prefer the price will the volume will be at least over 1 million, and see what's happening. We have at least 14 things we can choose from, and you can look here at the technical or the fundamental to narrow down your search and see what you could look. The other things I could add for this one, for the screener, is the descriptive. There's the short, floating short, and the other one is actually here. Wait a second, let me close current volume, sector, short float. Okay, here, yes, let's say this is a lot of shorts going on for those for our stock, for this one. If we go, we see them a lot of shorts happening for those stocks. This is if you put just the float over 30%. If we lower it, we see the stocks is actually less shorted, and we see a bit of momentum actually happening and jumping, as you can see from the chart. But I just put it at any to have more clues to search. And from here, you could see even they put the technical, but I don't use the technical here because it's not clear yet. And from here, you can actually search for the stock that actually going to pop, and or the stock that actually have potential to pop. Like this one, I actually like it. Look with me, is already testing the resistance right now. And now this one I think is gonna explode. Asian, I don't know if someone actually trading this one. I'll put it on my watch list because it's really interesting and it's ready to explode. Is actually about cancer cure, and this is really nice. Let's us check it out and see what's going on our chart in Wait a second. Aha. Sorry guys, sorry guys, sorry guys, sorry guys, sorry guys. Boom. My bad, my bad. Here, Finviz guys, if you know this, okay, let's start over. Here guys, Finviz, here where I find my like potential for stock that's gonna jump. So here you can choose a country, US, as I said, price, let's say under $10, and the relative volume, let's say, okay, not the, no, current volume actually, yes, over 1 million. Okay, from here we have the list. We come here, we see the charts, then we scroll down, and for me, I just like IGN. It is for cancer cure, and they have a lot of pipeline, as you can see here, and we could actually go to the fundamental, but as you can look here, this is really nice, and everybody knows that this stock, I think, if you been trading this one, I think it's gonna pop really soon, and we're gonna go together and to see if we have a potential explosion happening for it, because I really like it. I think I'm gonna put it on my watch list. Look with me guys, is actually testing the resistance as we speak, guys. We're gonna see explosion for this one. Just put this one in your watch list, because this one's gonna explode. This one is gonna explode at least. Let's see at $4. I don't know, like maybe at $7. This one, we can go at $7. Yeah, we can go to $7. Yeah, this will be really nice, almost 30% for this one. So yeah, I will put it on my watch list. Any closing candle above this, perfect trade, guys. Is actually testing it 3 times right now. 1, 2, boom, 3 times, and the third time is the last and the more sure way that we're gonna see explosion. The earning was positive, nice. The earning 11, we have another earning at the 12th of August, so it's doing good, actually doing really phenomenal. And let's see what your question is. Doing great, Mark. Thank you for asking about how I'm doing. Yes, they said you have to hold until the 24. So it depends on your brokerage. It depends on the when did you buy it. If you buy lately, I don't know about this. Maybe they will actually pay you, but less than the people actually bought in earlier on, because there's a lot of rules about the payment. Thank you, Professional Tell. Thank you. Bring all your friends and family to the Jesus tribe. Bring them here to actually let us hunt together and make the family getting bigger and bigger. I stopped counting, Kyle. I think I've been trading like even before the market all my life, because all my life I've been trading like a trader. But to be precise, like before the stock market, I've been trading Forex and crypto. And Forex was the most difficult one, the most manipulated market ever been traded on. I don't know if you guys been trading forex before. Okay, guys, I'm thinking about doing the live like pre-market or after-market or the during the market. So tell me which time will be perfect for doing live stream and to be updated about the market, because now I've been doing it after market. So comment in the section below if you like you prefer some time to actually doing the live, and we actually everybody can attend to the live and we hunt together. So I need your opinion, guys, at what time will be perfect to actually do the live stream, or we just doing 24 hours. Yeah, Forex is really strange. Thank you, Professional Till. Thank you so much for actually let your friends to follow me. This is really great. Let's make our tribe getting bigger, guys. Yes, I think it will be really great if I just put it 24 hours. You know what? You know what? I think I will put a cyborg, you know? I will put like an AI of Jesus who actually be trading 24 hours for you guys. What you think if I just put build an AI for me? And nobody will know, you know, if I put an AI to actually doing live for you guys. The bulldog run. Yes, everybody will be a millionaire. Just follow me, guys. We go into the light. Okay, guys, I have to call it for today, and as I told you, we gonna do more live stream in coming days, so stay tuned for that. And always told you guys to be patient and hunt for exact price value, and see you in the next video, because now at France is around actually 12 o'clock and 30, so it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning here in Paris. So without further ado, guys, thank you for actually attending the live, and good luck for tomorrow. And as I always told you guys, hunt and no emotion, cut your emotion, and always hunt like a tiger, like an eagle. So see you guys in the next streaming, and thank you for being here. See you guys.